Hello everyone, my name is Devendra Yadav. I work as a lead SQ engineer for BMC software. In this video, we will try to understand all about service context. We'll take a look at overview of service context, its architecture, and consumer and providers for service context. And finally, we'll take a look at a screenshot how it looks like. Service context collect key attribute information from various BMC applications running in your environment and presents them in a unified way on a single page so that for your business service you can get all the information from various products on a single page. Key attributes like incident information, change information, outage information from ITSM, or what are the changes deployed on a server from Blade Server Automation, what are the changes detected on a server from Blade Server Automation. Service context leverages information available in various applications and it presents it in a one page so that it can be used in a more meaningful way. This feature was developed in 8.0 release, so it is available 8x onwards CMDB releases. This is architectural diagram for service context. Service context run as a plugin within Atrium shared plugin server on CMDB servers. To feed data to service context, all of the application need to implement a web service interface defined by service context. Applications web services are published in UDDI. Whenever a service context UI launch request comes to plugin via mid-tier, it checks for all the registered web services by various applications and connect them via web service and fetches the required data and serves it back to the UI. Once it fetches data from an application, it is stored in a cache for 5 minutes, and for the next request which is coming within 5 minutes, the data is served from cache. Cache expiry time is configurable. Even one can disable cache mechanism. So for each request, service context plugin will go and connect with the web service to get the data, which will add additional overhead on each request. So it is recommended to work with cache for better performance. Here is a list of service context consumer and providers. So providers are the applications which actually have implemented service context web service interface and publish them in UDDI, using which service context is gathering key information from those applications. Consumers are the applications which have got launch point for service context. From those applications you can open the service context. So all the application except TrueSight capacity optimizations are acting as a both consumer and provider. TrueSight capacity optimization just consumes the service context, which means it has got a launch point for service context, but it has not implemented any web service to provide data to service context. I'll be talking more about configuring these attributes using service context from various applications in coming videos. When service context is launched from any of the applications, the screenshot which shows how it looks like. So like you can see, the first one is coming from CMDB services and CI, work order, changes, event, outage, even the status from BPPM, business impact from BPPM. All the details are shown on this kind of UI. Thank you for watching this video.